Unveiling Olympic canoe sprint, history, athletes, and techniques. Canoe sprint has roots dating back to the 19th century, evolving into a competitive Olympic sport. The sport features events like K1, K2, and C1, showcasing single and team paddling skills. Notable athletes like Birgit Fischer and Josefa Edem have redefined excellence in canoe sprint. The Olympic Games spotlight canoe sprint, elevating its global appeal and inspiring new talent. Unique techniques and lightweight equipment help athletes achieve speed and precision on the water. Join us for more thrilling sports insights and stories. Dumbbell B.